Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable secure boot on Windows 11 with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. To check if secure boot is enabled, what you want to do is click the Windows icon, then type in system information. Hit enter to open it up. Now on this page down here, on secure boot state, you can see that mine is off. Now I'm going to show you how to turn it on. Close up this page to go back to the desktop. Now on the desktop, press the Windows key and I on your keyboard. This takes you to the settings page. Now scroll down and click Recovery. On Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Click Restart Now again. Once your PC restarts, you'll get to this page. Now, using the directional keys on your keyboard, go down to Troubleshoot, then hit the down arrow key to Advanced Options and hit Enter. Use the arrow key to go to UEFI firmware settings and hit Enter. Now hit Enter on Restart. Your PC will restart once more. Now you'll be taken to the BIOS. Now the BIOS will look different depending on the make of your machine. If you find yours confusing, I recommend Googling your system's make and learning how to navigate the BIOS. The steps shouldn't be too different, so you'll still be able to follow along with this video. Using the right arrow key, navigate to the Security tab. Now use the down arrow key to navigate to Secure Boot. Hit Enter to open it up. On this page, with Secure Boot selected, hit Enter, then use the down arrow key to select Enabled and hit Enter once more. If you get a message like this, just hit Enter with Yes highlighted. Now press the Escape key on your keyboard until you get to this page. Hit Enter on Exit Saving Changes. Hit Enter on Yes, and then your PC will restart once more. Once the system has restarted, click the Windows icon, then type System Information. Hit Enter to open it up. Now down here on Secure Boot State, we see it is on. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.